Dear traders, welcome to our YouTube channel, that is Neutral View Trader. The video which you are about to see is a demo content of our course, that is Basics of Stock Market. Basics of Stock Market course is designed for a new traders who's willing to learn in trading and investment. So why wait? Download the app from the description link below. You can visit to the store page and then there you can download the course and watch the Basics of Stock Market course. So we have covered some 25 concepts in the course in order to help the traders to start their investment journey. Many traders, without understanding the basics of the stock market, they lose a lot of money in the stock market. The basics of stock market is the fundamental and the foundational thing that you will have to do first before getting into the stock market. So why wait? Start your investment journey by watching our course. Now, for the first 200 buyers, we are giving 500 rupees off for the course purchases. Additionally, we are providing free stock market analysis in our Twitter and Telegram channels. For the same links are there in the below description. Why wait? Start your investment journey by watching this demo content. Finally, please do subscribe. Dear trader, welcome to our first course on Basics of Stock Market. I'm Raghav. I'll be your tutor for the course. Let us start with our first concept of the course, that is, what is a stock? Stock is an ownership that is shared by a company upon purchasing the shares of a company by an individual. Company releases these stocks to get some capital to spend on their businesses. Let us take an example. If a shareholder purchases one share from XYZ company, the shareholder, if holds the share for more than 2 days, the trader will be eligible for ownership of that company. Now, the percentage of the ownership depends upon the shares purchased. Shareholder, the term itself means one who owns the shares of a company. Hope you got this basic point.